How to see your watch history on Twitter. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about watching or seeing your history on Twitter or X application. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and open your X or the Twitter application on your mobile device. You can also open your Google Chrome web browser and access twitter.com from there. Simply launch the application. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Also make sure that the Twitter application is up to date. Now once you're in the home page, tap on the profile picture icon in the top left corner of this screen. Then tap on Settings and Support. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. From this page, you're supposed to click on Your Account. Once you're in the Your Account section, you will see the option of Download and Archive of your data. That will let you get the insights into the type of information stored for your account. Tap on that. Then you need to re-enter your password of your Twitter or the X account. And then you will be able to access all your history, all your searches, video, photos, post, anything that you prefer, and simply download. And Twitter will send it in your email account that is associated with your Twitter account, and you will be able to access from there. So that's it for this video. This is how you can go ahead and see your watched history on Twitter. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.